Hi, Colin here, and you're tuned into Shine Automotive, and you've all been waiting for the return of the Turbo KA. Look out for the pigeon as well. Laura got it in the last one. Obviously we didn't do one when we did the Renault 25 failing, so if you see the pigeon, hit the timestamp with when you see pigeon, and then you'll be mentioned in the next video. It's a lovely day today. Right, it's been about 2 months since we last worked on the Turbo K, because we've been pushing on with the race car and the Renault 25, but we're back onto the Turbo K. What we're going to be doing today, so it is ram-packed full of stuff, so we're going to get it all emptied out, and we've got a leather interior to go in that is on its way to us, so we're going to get all the interior out, we're going to get it chucked up in the air and get all underneath stone chipped, and then that can dry. And then in the next one we'll be fitting all the exhaust. I think what Sam's going to do today as well is, Sam, are you going to be doing the ECU swap? You might have a go. So Sam's going to do the ECU. Now the ECU is down on the passenger side, so I think what we'll do...
depends on whether it's buried up the yard.
The other ones...
If it's buried in Cooville...
No, I think you can get to it. You can get to it. And yeah, so we've got to empty all this out, start getting it all ready, do the exhaust in the next one, get it all cleaned out, get all the interior out, ready for the leather interior to go, find a decent partial shelf and just get titivating up in this one. We've got the wheels that we're going to have to get sent up to Danny at Ray's powder coating, get done, and then a good polish and a good clean. But yeah, the Turbo KA, we're back on with it. Woohoo! Right, so we've got all the rubbish out of it. I've got to sort through all that because the water pipes are in there as well. To get the seat out, you've got to take the back bench out first. So we've got that one to do, that one to do, that one to do, that one to do, that one there, that one there, and that one there.
Oh, that one there?
Yeah, and that one there. Getting the seats out, Sam is cramped down there, and that's where the ECU is located.
I need some specialist tools.
Couldn't hear you.
What's for a 14-pound sledge on?
Alright, you have to get the big one. So yeah, we did decide, obviously it does run with a 1300 ECU, but we decided it's time to get the 1600 one on, and then we know that the fueling's sort of right for there. And I'll get on with the back seats now, get them two out, and then I'll get the passenger one out, and I'll probably leave the driver's one in until the seats come. How are you getting on? You're getting on any better? So, get the back bench out. You've just got a screw here, screw there, same on the other side. So I'll get this unscrewed, and then we can get this lovely. What do you reckon to this seat, Sam? You like this seat, don't you?
Has it got an ECU in there?
No, it's not got an ECU on it. Sam, what are you doing? Sam, is that the bestest snap-on screwdriver in the chair? That's just absolutely child's play. I don't know. Right, let's get this bench out. Right, once we've undone them screws, literally just lift up, pulls away, just like that. Nice and easy. I'm going to send the camera flying now. Can I do it? Oh, I'm going to have to move the camera. Just basically lifts up and pops up like that. So we'll put this in storage. See ya. So we've got the back bench out now. I've found a decent carpet and a decent partial shelf, but I'll give this all a wipe down and a clean. I'm not going to do a time lapse of that because you'll just fall asleep if you're watching that, and that's boring. I'll just do a time lapse of when we're putting in the leather seats. We've got the door cards to change, but I'm not going to bother changing the door cards or the front seats now until we've got the leather seats. and Sam's still braying away trying to get the ECU off, which is a nightmare. Once we've got the ECU swapped over, we'll stick it up in the air and we'll get underneath stone chip and then let that dry for a few days, and then I'll crack on getting the exhaust done. Get the exhaust on, the wheels on, the interior in, and should be pretty much ready for MOT, and then we'll get some testing on it. Me and Sam will book on a track day, I think, and we'll go testing with it. Woohoo! See what she can do legally. Ed? Right, come in here and get that ECU out. Go on, in. Come on. Here. Here. In you go. Go in there. Right, fix it. You've got to fix that ECU. Right, listen to me. Go down there and take that tamper-proof screw off. Can you do that? Yeah? Do you want a biscuit? Oh, do you want a biscuit?
Why don't you go and cut that so you out, the other one?
Do you want me to go to get out?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter if you butcher the wires or anything, does it?
Right, I'll go get the ECU out the other one while Sam's braying away on that tamper screw.
Tamper-proof screw.
And he's tampering with it.
Yeah, that's why it's not working. Meant to be tamper-proof.
Yo, bro. So Sam's managed to get the ECU off the other one, and off the scrap one I just went in and butchered it out, and I'm just going to slit up there with the slitting disc now, and then we can get a screwdriver in with it.
Do you want to borrow my safety glasses?
So like, do it really
Slowly,
hard.
don't nip that very hard.
Yeah, like really hard. Like
Just
push
smash it to bits. Do you want to borrow my glasses?
Yeah, please.
Thanks, mate. Did you feel safe?
I felt safe. I felt very safe. I don't know if you can see in there now. We've got a nice gash to cut through there. Got a nice gash. We've got a nice slit through there. Put a screwdriver on.
Are these all of its hairs, mate?
If only. I mean.
What?
No, I didn't mean it like that.
Need to go away. That's just absolutely disgusting.
There we go. I can't believe they put these anti-tamper things. What a ridiculous idea. Yeah, I'll go and put that somewhere. Yeah, I'll get it in a wanna.
Put it somewhere safe.
From here.
Oh, what, like the last wheel?
That was you with the wheel, Tim. Oh, it bounced out. No way. Nice biffer. So obviously we've got the key for the this ECU as well that we're putting in. We shouldn't have to change the transponder. It should just pick up off the original pickup signal, we think. So we'll get this chucked on, and we'll undo the cowling so we can get to the signal round here, and then see how we get on.
You know what? Why?
Is it being a pain, mate? You're on? Right. You're running, mate. Yeah, when it starts, it runs so much better. It doesn't drop off. Right, so the ECU is in the 1.61 and it is running loads better.
I don't know if it's because of that or not.
What do you think?
I think it's because of that.
Because of what? The sticker?
The permit.
Because he's put a permit sticker that we found on the seat on the windscreen. Sam thinks that the car runs better because of the sticker, not because of the fact that we've just put the 1600 ECU on that matches that engine. He's saying it's the sticker, so Sam's the wizard, so it's got to be the sticker.
Take it off, it wants that.
Right, so we're going to get the ECU fitted in properly now. Did I poke you then?
Yeah.
Sorry. I poked his face. So we'll get the ECU put back up properly now, and then we'll work out what we're going to do with the transponder. We're probably just going to do something anyway. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to do. We're just going to put the key in it really, and just take the key around it, and then find somewhere for it to live in the in there. Oh, I'll tell you what we could do. I have an idea. So 1600 ECU's on. We're just going to have to put the key for the time being. I can't do with all this. there's a pickup signal. Just gonna have to put the key in there that matches that ECU and then turn the key. Can I do this all with one hand? To me that sounds like it's running loads better. So the ECU is sorted out now. It's fueling loads better. It's not over boosting. It's not going to blow itself up. I don't know what you're laughing at, Sam. It's been horrible. So it was boosting just over, well, just like a bar of boost, but that was with the ECU, and it was definitely over fueling. So it's like I just said, 0.8, 0.9 now. But it sounds healthy. So we'll get it up in the air and we'll get underneath the old exhaust off. We'll get it stone chipped up and ready for making the exhaust in the next one. So yeah, let's get sorted out now. Right, so we've got it up in the air. We're just having a look from where we did our oil. Oh no, I'm gonna lift the car up, hang on. I lifted the car up, it's fine. So, obviously where we did our oil return, there isn't a leak, so we know we've got that right, and it's looking pretty dry around there, so that's sorted. So what we're gonna do is take the old exhaust off and just give it a clean, a bit of a wire brush, just get some of this surface off, but it's really clean. If you're watching Mark, look how clean it is. There's no welding going on.
What about that hole I put?
There's no hole poked in it. It's all solid up here, been done before.
Sure, we should keep this exhaust.
Take that exhaust off because it's horrendous. But it is pretty solid for one of these. All these back of these axle mounts where they drop off is all solid up here. So get it cleaned up and then we'll get it stone chipped up.
Keeping that.
What are you doing with that?
I'm keeping that.
Yeah?
7 horsepower that.
Right, Sam's going to rip the exhaust off now and then we'll get wire brushed down. Yeah, so the old exhaust is off now, so it's time to get cleaning. Right, this cleaning of all the loose rust is going to take ages. But what I want to do is when the rust is all cleared down, I want to actually spray underneath with some rust cure first before we put some stone chip up. And I don't have any rust cure. So we're going to wrap it up for this one, and then I'm going to make sure that next week I have a full day on it, so you'll have plenty of content on the Turbo KA. Try and get all underneath sorted and all the exhaust sorted, and hopefully get the wheels dropped off to be powder coated. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love your support and all your comments you leave down below. Don't forget, hit the notification bell, then you don't miss any of our crazy garage crap that we do. Right, I've been Colin.
I've been Sam.
And we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, have a beautiful time.
Yeah.
You're not putting them in there, eh? Why? Oh, so you can push it down. So you can get in it. I get in it all the time. Well, there you go. Come on, you weigh more. You climb there. You weigh more.
I can't climb up there. I can't climb up there.
Yes, you can.
It says, look, danger of death, do not enter.
You can climb in there.
I don't know how to.
I'm going to get you some
I've
ladders.
climbed trees since I was like 5.
Well, I'm going to get you some ladders and you can climb in there. Can't you?
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. All these ladders for you. I've got the bin for you. Oh, yeah.
That was yours. You have to look on the camera.
Right, so we're happy with the ECU setup. It's running loads better. It's definitely not overfueling now. The boost is down, but it's not overfueling, not going to blow itself off. I still think it's going to... What?